Welcome back, beauty explorers. Today, we're diving into some of the wildest beauty tips from around the globe that might just change your routine forever. First up, we're in South Korea, where snail slime is all the rage. Yes, you heard that right. This gooey goodness is packed with proteins and antioxidants, promising hydration and that coveted youthful glow. Who knew slugs could be so fabulous? Next, let's jet over to Japan. Here, rice water is the secret to silky hair. Just rinse your rice, save that water, and voila! You have a natural elixir that nourishes and shines. Now brace yourselves for the infamous bird poop facial. Yes, powdered nightingale droppings are said to exfoliate and rejuvenate your skin. It sounds bizarre, but beauty is all about trying new things, right? And in India, turmeric is the golden spice of choice. It brightens skin and fights acne, but go easy. Too much can leave you glowing like a sunbeam. In Greece, honey and olive oil create a moisturizing miracle, while African clay masks connect beauty with nature, drawing out impurities. Let's not forget Indonesia's activated charcoal, a detoxifying powerhouse, and the classic cucumber slices for tired eyes that everyone loves. So which of these quirky tips will you try? Drop your thoughts in the comments, and remember to like and subscribe for more beauty adventures. Stay beautiful, everyone!